Today we're going to talk about diaphragmatic breathing. So you'll see in the video I have one hand on my belly and one hand on my chest. When I breathe in, I'm inhaling through my nose and expanding through my belly. So I want to feel the hand on my belly rising and then the hand on my chest staying still so my chest isn't moving up and down. This is a really great exercise for understanding how to use your diaphragm to breathe efficiently and properly. Your diaphragm is part of your core, so if you think of your core as a pop can, the diaphragm is the top of that pop can. So it's integral in playing a role in your core strength and stability and understanding how to control intra-abdominal pressure. Now in this clip, we are going to put our hands on the sides of our bellies. And so when we're breathing in through our nose, we're thinking about expanding throughout our entire belly. That's including through the sides as well. So in the video, when I'm inhaling, I'm thinking about inhaling into my hands and pushing out against my hands. And then when I'm exhaling, I'm using my hands to apply just a little bit of pressure to bring my tummy back in and back down again. So we inhale, expand really nicely through the belly, and then exhaling and thinking about bringing everything in nice and smooth.
Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. For more content like this, hit the subscribe button below. For more questions about donability or to subscribe to my weekly newsletter, visit www.donability.com. For similar content, you can find me on Instagram at sarahdoan.strengthcoach. Thanks so much again, and I'll see you next time.